everybody. Today our topic is iteration or looping. What happens actually when you want to repeat some set of statements again and again, then in this case you need a loop to run. In Python we have two loops, while and for. For loop will be repeated n number of times, whereas while loop works as per your choice. So in the situation where you don't know how many times your loop will run, in this case you can use while loop, whereas for loop will be only used in the situation where number of repetition will be known beforehand. So let's start with for loop. First of all, let's see the syntax of for loop. It's like for space, then you need to give a variable, and this variable is known as counter for a loop, or you can say it's a counter variable. Suppose my counter variable is C. For C in, we have already studied about range function. Range function will generate some numbers in the given range. For example, if I want to run my loop from 1 to 10, so I need to give the second argument as 11. Place a colon over there. After that, so if I am writing for C in range 1 to 11, that means actually range 1 to 11 will generate the numbers like 1, then 2, then 3, until 10 it will generate. So what happens? All those numbers which will be generated by range, one by one taken into consideration by the loop counter, that is C. So if I am going to print C, it will print 1 and then 2 and then 3 and so on till 11. Let's see what is the output of this program. So here we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the way how we can use a for loop. Suppose you want to generate a message with this for loop also. So here you can concatenate your message with the variable. If I can write hello and see, so the message also gets repeated 10 times. Hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. So in that, this is actually a situation where you want to repeat some set of statement up to certain limit. So here is the limit is you want to generate a particular message with a number 1, 2, 3 and till 10 times you want to do this work. So the program goes like this. Thank you.